What's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work. Today I'm just doing a little 4K test, and I want to see how the microphone sounds. How do I sound? Is it clear? Is it choppy? Is it tinny? Now it's a little bit windy here. Let's try to move somewhere that has a lot more color. Even though this is a park. Let's try to hit the grass. Grass. Nice focus in right there. That's pretty good. I'm gonna make this like a minute and 20 seconds. Okay, let's try to find something that I can listen to. Garbage can. Very good. Water. Slow pan. Manually. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Nexus 6P and more tech to come. So, to the next video.